Hey guys, and welcome to another Fantabulous video with your one and only Captain Bob. Okay, today is going to be a little bit of a different episode. I'm going to make a foldable flight simulator. Captain Bob, he's my best friend and he should be yours too. So basically, like, it's just a box, but then you can fold it up. There's a little overhead panel, your screen, so cute. Yep. For this project, you will need 4 30-inch 2x4s, 2 27-inch 2x4s, and 4 23-inch 2x4s. Right here I have 2 sheets of plywood. I'm just gonna cut into 30-inch panels. Any plywood works, but I just went with the cheapest one. Right now I'm cutting the 2x4s into their respective sizes. A lot of the wood I use is either scrap wood or just like wood from other projects, so it's gonna take a little bit of effort. Right now I'm gonna cut the 30-inch by 30-inch panels. So right now, I have the sheet on top of the 2x4 and I'm just going to drill into it and then have the sheet, have the sheet be the main support. It's going to be a little bit sketchy, so sorry about that. So, I just finished making my 2 frames, and they're gonna go together later. But first, we're gonna make the back frame. Ooh. So I just finished this back section. It's pretty simple, just a 27-inch. Yes, pretty simple. It's just a 27-inch, 30-inch plywood, and another 27-inch. These right here go right here. Let's see if I can get it to fit. So I put in some elbow grease. By elbow grease, I of course mean I whacked it until it gave up. Yeah, and now it looks like that. And it's nicely shoved in there. Now all I have to do is screw it in. Then your monitor's right here. Then your monitor is right here, and your overhead panel is right here. Then you close it. Of course, it won't be this violently, hopefully. And it looks like it's box. This uses 3 hinges. I already installed one. And I'm gonna install the other 2. I just lay it on here at a 90-degree angle, then use it to just kind of eyeball it. Oh look, it's a house. Now it's even more housey. So I'm just gonna screw in the hinges right behind me. Right here, I just got some 2x4s and scrap wood just to make a little door thing to hold up the overhead panel and that structure. And so it just looks fancy. Now I'm going to put it on wheels. That right there is honestly a little sketchy, so I might make an update in an upcoming video. So, yeah. Oops. I would love to see if you made one too. Please send me pictures. You can just leave a link to them in the comments below. Just make a Google Doc. Or if you really need to, you can email me it under business inquiry, under the about page. Thank you so much for watching. I really want to see if you make this. Just send me a picture or a link to the picture in the comments below. If you need to, you can put it on a Google Docs, or you can email me under business inquiry under the community tab on my YouTube channel. I really look forward to seeing them, and yeah, just send your comments below. But first, let's check out what's in the magical box. Let's see. So I have a USB hub, another USB hub, a USB extension cord, and yeah, just my junk. Yeah, nothing's exciting is coming because I'm kind of coming to a slow point. So sad.